So now don't finally cause make media start they call me Erik don't hang abi? No worry. After today, una yansh go dey hang.
Na Chukuchuku did that in Bolala.
No lie. How you go put chuku for him bulala?
Ask him now.
You ask them now.
Why go ask him? No be you talking a lie.
Kochi, abeg no vex. Na chuku dey on top that your bulala.
No worry. When I reach your turn, you go know.
God abeg, no let this man keep person for here.
Sancho,
Sir?
since when you come this club, how many managers don't coach you?
Now you be the fourth one, sir.
And since that time, how many goals you don't score for Premier League?
3, sir.
So you can share one goal for every coach.
No, sir. Now when I sing, I go score, sir.
Can you press goals come off on your body this season? Idiot. Rashford,
Sir?
I hear PSG get interest for your side. Not true?
Yes, sir.
Why?
You know, sir. Maybe na because I sabi play ball.
You for end down for you no. Because you not sabi play ball again. Or there, you want go where you go dey hide under Messi and Mbappe shadow.
But Kochi, Oro follow us play match. Him supposed follow us chop king. Blood of God.
You dey question my authority.
No, sir. Na just suggestion I dey make.
Suggestion kill you there.
Kochi, my ash don't pillow.
Make it pee finish. Fred! So? I think I tell you say make you go bring your national ID for me that day. I been carry am come your office, but you not there. Even if you mistakenly be Brazilian, you be disgrace to Brazil. Yeah! Kochi, the chuku dey enter my ash. Brazil suppose disown you. Sure.
Sir?
You sure say you sabi your work for that left back?
Kochi, doctor talk say make dem no dey flog me for yansh. He say na for hand I suppose dey collect my cane.
God of mercy, Ronaldo.
You never hear me talk say if I ask you question you must answer. Olodo. My WWE captain, how many people you don't give SmackDown since this season start?
Kochi, I never give anybody SmackDown before.
Don't
die! Don't die!
You can't do that Brighton player leg.
Kochi, you go keep it picking, no?
DK, congratulations on your double assist.
Kochi, na mistake. I don't mean I'm like that.
If person tell you congratulations, you tell him thank you.
Oh, yes, sir.
It's not easy. It's not easy. For the keeper to give 2 assists for 1 match. Idiot. Now like this when I go there till the next match. Come on Brentford trash una 4-0. I wonder wetin go happen if una jam Liverpool.